Alright, so here it is, guys. Unitronic intake system. It looks so cleaner, it looks so more factory-like. I like the fact that it bolts on there and bolts on right there. Oops. Stupid phone. I guess it only doing what I'm telling it to do, but anyways, basically it's a factory bolt-on, right, this side and this side, and then right there, that was a pain in the A to put on. Everything was a breeze. I was trying to hide this because I hit this one. I want to make it look not noticeable. I put that some B right there. Again, sorry for the recording. It sucks, hey, I know, but I guess I give you guys a quick, I don't know. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys like. All right, let's give it some revs, no? See what's up with this beezy. Gonna go ahead and turn it. Oh shit. You guys are going crazy right now. Okay. These are gonna probably talk smack. Oh, this guy sucks, I'm not gonna close it all the way, but let's give it some revs from inside the car. See where we at. Let's go gently. Let's get her ready. There's a slight noise. A little back end. Anyways, I don't know if that's healthy or not. Maybe it's just super exhausted because it's time to do the 40,000 mile service. I'm about to slap on some APR Coil Packs, the new ones that they came out. I'm super stoked. I bought liquid moly additives, oil. I'm gonna slap it on, or it's gonna be badass. Let's give it a couple revs with the hood open. Alright guys, there you have it. If you can see me, awesome. If you can't, then I don't know. But the whole point of this video was for sound clip only and a quick look on the intake, my new intake and the old intake, sound difference. I guess I could have just recorded it, audio record, but I figured you guys would want to see or not. I do apologize for the crappiness of the video. I really do. Yeah, man, that's just it, man. I apologize for the horrible recording, but I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, man, I'm freaking stoked, dude. I'm freaking hella stoked. I'm so happy I bought it. So happy, yeah, my face is super dull. I'm just super speechless, you know what I mean? I'm just so excited. Bought that nut, I don't know. But I am anxious to get those APR coils. They should be ETA or ECS tuning to get the APR coils, and they sent it out to me. I have no idea how long is that gonna take, but I think by the 16th of March I'll be able to get my APR coils, dude. Just gonna get this shit done because I'm so stoked to get it all maintenance, 40K service. Oh man, I feel like the car is gonna, you know, it's gonna feel alive all over again. I mean, because I got about 800 more miles to go before my 10,000 miles is up. I trust liquid moly, and I'm using the moly gen. I trust it. I feel pretty confident that it's taking the beating. I shouldn't go too hard on it, but let's go moly. Let's go liquid moly. I know they haven't disappointed me, and I don't know. Let's cut it.